Hey, what is up, guys? We are out here in the vet, about to go pick up some fun opportunities.
Yeah, so basically, like, when I had my Cummins, me and Tony used to flip stuff like a lot because we had a lot of space in the truck where we could go and do that. But with Tony's truck being limited in range and my Trailblazer being down, we really haven't been able to do that, which is taking away part of our income.
Yeah, our income that we specifically had for just
Car parts.
yeah, but we couldn't pass up what we found. We're in the vet. It has a big enough trunk, I think, guys. Like I said, we couldn't pass up on this opportunity we found. Should we tell them now or tell them when?
Dude, we'll show them after we get it because this is
Yeah. Like, insanely awesome deal, guys. So we're about to the guy's place, and yeah, we'll go from there. We almost got T-boned, so, but we'll be back. Hey, what's up, guys? We have arrived to our location. A little loud in here. Surprise! Nice. That's pretty clean. All right, guys, we have left the premises.
I'll pop the trunk for you so you can get it.
All right, guys. So,
Oh shit!
what happened?
I can't get gas because it's out.
Oh dang! Y'all just have to cash at me. All right, guys. So we got the freaking work truck out here. As you guys know, we were in the Corvette work truck.
Dude, so we spent we spent $200 and all I got was this cool thing.
What the hell? Turn
right
around.
here.
Turn around. Is that a skull? Just kidding, guys. We are mid-engining.
The C5. No, we're not.
The C5.
No, we're not. We can't do that.
Just
This
kidding.
may go in here actually.
We got this sweet deal. We honestly got a sweet hookup. Granted that this dude was super cool. It was one of Slow Speed's buddies. They used to go out all the time until Slow Speeds decided to leave us all and move away. But yeah, one of his close buddies. We got a freaking awesome hookup on this. We got a whole gasket kit. List goes on, but we're gonna get out of here. We're gonna get some gas and then we'll get home and really see what we're working with, guys. We are back at the casa.
Got the majority of stuff out, but
Yeah.
hey, we work smarter, not harder. Once we're at home.
As you guys can see, I wouldn't try this at home, mostly
No,
because
definitely don't.
you know, got some ripped up carpet already, guys, but
Dude, it's a vet.
this is the protection mat anyways.
Yeah.
We actually were highly unprepared. We kind of just seen the post. We didn't grab any cardboard, no like towel or nothing. We just went and got it.
Pull this back a little bit. Ooh, wait, what?
Oh. All right, you need to go up more.
All right, go. I just didn't want the top boom to hit.
All right, guys, just make it dangerous, so we'll be back. All right, guys, motor is off the picker. It is on the stand.
Lens smudged?
No. Why?
I don't know.
Cheese. All right, guys, so one thing that I did notice, the dude said that he had lost oil pressure after a cam swap, immediately shut it off, and he had showed us one of these bearings. Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it, but I can feel that.
Can we get this one off?
Honestly, isn't that bad if we just polish that?
No, that's metal gone. If this isn't a bearing that's squished, which I'm hoping, I think it's just a squished bearing. To be honest, guys.
They put it together bad?
No, not that, because they didn't touch the bearings or any of that.
Yeah.
The dude that he bought it from told me it was an $80,000 motor with nothing wrong with it.
80,000
mile motor.
Yeah, not dollar motor, boys.
Yeah, I think we actually might be in luck. I think it's just a smashed bearing. Oh wow, yeah. Talk about a smashed spun bearing,
dude. That's welded.
Yeah. Let's try and break that off. Make sure that piston doesn't fall through though.
Yeah. Holy.
Yeah.
That crank's gone. That crank is bad, boy. That's not just a.
Yeah. So if you guys can see.
Yeah, dude.
That difference, it's.
Dude, that's not that's like a tenth. That's not even like hundredths or something like that. That's a full tenth. Dude, this might be the Vette motor. Dude, let me see if I can get this bearing out. Did the other one fall down or something?
No, I think you just spun it back around.
Well, there's two.
Yeah, guys, nothing.
No, I spun it into each other.
Nothing, not putting blame on anyone or saying anyone lied. Dude was straight up. He had told us what he had gotten. Cheap motor. We got everything for a couple $100, full brand new gasket kit. This 4.8 long block, good heads.
Yeah.
Pretty much, yeah, a whole long block besides oil pan and intake manifold. So, Gen 4 rods.
Yeah. Oh, dude, I can. Yeah,
dude, that bearing got toasted. Dude, hold that like that. God dang, yeah, that's a little bit of
that
noise maker.
That one's down there now. Oh well, we got that one out.
Yeah,
dude. So this is not good. So this crank is basically Gonzo's. I hate saying that.
Oh yeah. You don't like oversized bearing?
The whole crank would have to be machined.
Yeah, for sure.
But it might be. We'd have to take it to a shop though. But hey,
we already got a couple things that we want to take to a shop. So mainly, we were undecided on, since this was such a short pickup.
Flipping this. Or...
Yeah, flipping it, building it, doing a build log. Really just,
is this the motor for the Vette?
Yeah, so
this might turn out to be the motor for the Vette, honestly, because it might just get bored out to a 5.3. Because I already have that crank over there,
yeah, so
I don't know.
Stick around with us, guys. This isn't going to be the last of
this motor.
This 4.8 LS. So yeah. Kind of a little bit disappointed, but
unless we can find a stock crank for this,
yeah,
that's good. We should be bueno.
Yeah.
But yeah, this crank is bad.
If anyone wants to, send us one through the mail, that would be awesome. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much a wrap up on this video. Corvette put in work today.
Yeah,
dudes were really cool. Him and his dad. Sweet Nova that we got some content on.
A little bit of that.
Yeah, so other than that, guys, don't forget about our giveaway. It is still going on. It is up, coming up in mid-August, mid-end August. So yeah, don't forget about that, guys, and like and subscribe, share with your friends.